night I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. I always tell him, thank you God for all your gifts to me. I never need to be. I like to tell him everything, for he's my friend, you see. I never need to be afraid, for God is always near. I always try to please my friend, and then I never fear.
Thank God it's over.